Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy bruschetta. This is great for a party, as an appetizer, for dinner. Really either way it works great, and it's also easy to make gluten-free if that's a need too. So you're going to need a French baguette or a gluten-free baguette. You want to use a crusty bread, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 Roma tomatoes sliced or diced, half a cup of chopped Italian parsley, along with 1 clove of garlic crushed, a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and then a teaspoon of kosher salt. And this will be all you need for this recipe. It's very easy to use fresh ingredients too, straight from the garden. We love doing that in the summertime whenever we have lots of fresh produce. It's perfect for that. So the first thing you want to do is get all of your ingredients ready, and then you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want to go ahead and get that done, and then as you can see here, I'm getting all of those ingredients ready. Again, Roma tomatoes tend to grow the best in our garden versus other tomatoes, so I really like using them for this. So after you do that, you're going to go ahead and slice the bread about 1/4 of an inch thick and place it on a greased baking sheet. So we are actually going to bake the bread, and then we're going to top it with the bruschetta. So it's a really nice little appetizer here. So I'm going to use a brush, and I just brush on about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for the whole thing. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to brush each piece with oil. This just enhances some flavor. And then you're going to bake this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's kind of like a little toast. And then once we pull that out, we will add the bruschetta to it. So if you want to go ahead and get that ready, we will get that all put in the oven. And while that's baking, this is when I like to go ahead and get the bruschetta ready. You're going to combine the oil, the remaining oil, tomatoes, parsley, garlic, cheese, vinegar, and salt all into a medium-sized bowl like this. And then we're just going to mix it all up. So I'm getting all of that ready. I'm going to add my cheese here. And now I've just mixed it up. So that's what I'm doing now. And once that's all mixed up, I will have it ready to go as soon as the bread comes out of the oven. So once the bread comes out, we're going to top each piece with some of the bruschetta. You can even drizzle some additional balsamic vinaigrette on it if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. We like to serve it just like this off of a baking sheet. It's perfect. You want to pull it out of the oven pretty close to when you're ready to serve it. You can prep it early and then store it in the fridge until you're ready to serve too. You would just want to do the bread right before you're ready. So go ahead and wait on the bread if you were going to do that, and just prep the bruschetta part of it. So now I have it all ready to go, and this is how you make easy bruschetta. This is really a great a great appetizer for a party like a baby shower in the spring or any type of dinner party. Really, it's a great appetizer for that. You can find this whole recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.